Yo, what's up guys? Kuya Renny Boy here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, meron na naman ako na-discover na work from home job para sa inyo lahat. Okay? Especially sa mga naghahanap ng VA jobs na walang experience, nangangapa kung paano mag-uumpisa. This is going to be the best video for you. Okay? So, ganun pa rin. Siyempre, survey muna tayo sa mga naghahanap ng work from home dyan. Comment sa baba ng work from home. Sa mga naghahanap ng call center na Tagalog, comment sa baba ng local account. Okay? So in case na meron na naman akong share sa inyo na napaka-solid. Okay? Kasi guys, pwedeng-pwede nyo na po kayo mag-apply dito sa website nila. Okay? Kung sanay na tayo sa Upwork, sa Online Jobs PH, this is also a must try. Okay? So in case, no, ganun pa rin. By the way, sa mga bago pa lang dito, this is Kuya Rene Boy and I'm currently on a mission to create 1 million jobs dito sa Pilipinas. Libo-libo na yung natulungan natin magkaroon ng work. Huli ikaw na ang susunod. Okay, sa mga bago pa lang dito, don't forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell para updated ka every time na meron tayong bagong video. Okay, alam niyo naman, dito sa YouTube channel ni Kuya Renny Boy, laging paunahan. Kapag nag-upload ako ng work from home video, katulad nito, make sure na nakasubscribe kayo para mag-notify sa inyo na, uy, may hiring na naman si Kuya Renny Boy. And later, make sure na matapos itong video na to kasi meron akong kailangan na 5 interns para sa company ni Kuya Renny Boy. Okay? So, kukuha ko ng 5 interns. Later on, i-announce ko yung mechanics. So, make sure na matapos itong video na to. Okay? So, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Let's move sa ating topic today kung saan kayo pwede mag-apply, guys. And this is what we call well found. Okay? So, I hope nakikita na yung screen ko. Kapag pumunta kayo sa wellfound.com, okay, you just need to sign up. Lagay nyo lang yung email address, then set up your password, and then you will be routed in this page. And then sabi dito, you will be receiving a verification code via email, and then you just need to confirm. Okay? So here is the code. Go back to wellfound, then enter your code here. There you go. So you can now set up your profile. Tara, sabayan nyo ako guys. Philippines. Oh, okay. So let's try Texas, Austin. Okay, try lang natin. Austin, Texas. And then what best describe your current role? For example, more on customer support, customer service. And then how many years of experience do you have in your current role? For example, meron na kayong 1 year BPO experience. It's good. And then are you a student or new graduate? Pwede naman sabihin na new graduate. Okay? Ba't ganun? Are you a student or new grad? Of course not, guys, para hindi tayo ma-red flag. Okay, why do you currently work? Where do you currently work? Okay, so sabi dito, naka-asterisk. So mandatory siya. So, lagay nyo na lang dyan, I'm not currently employed. Kung meron kayong LinkedIn profile, ilagay nyo po dyan. For example, this one, sa profile ni Kuya Rene Boy, yan, kailangan daw yan. So kayo, kung wala pa, I really suggest na gumawa na kayo ng LinkedIn account ninyo. Kung wala rin kayong website, wala pa ba kayong personal website, yung katulad ng yung domain dapat nakapangalan sa inyo. For example, kuyareneboy.io, kuyareneboy.com, yan. Dapat meron po kayong ganito para at least, di ba, nakapangalan sa inyo and pwede nyo nang ipakita dyan yung mga skills ninyo, yung mga sample projects na ginawa ninyo, testimonials, yung mga client na napagservisyoan nyo na. So, pwede po kayong gumawa niyan. Okay? So, ayun. Pwede na natin itong ipasa kasi ito yung hinahanap niya. Okay? So, actually guys, nagtuturo din po ako kung paano gumawa nito. Just let me know kung interesado kayo magpaturo. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo lang po is pupunta lang kayo sa kuyareneboy.com. Okay, so balik tayo dyan sa well found. Paste lang natin. And then create your profile. Sa preferences, where are you in your job search? Ready to interview ka na ba? Open to offers, close to offers. So ready to interview. Full-time employee, and then yes. And then what is your desired salary? For example, ang desired salary natin is at least $8 an hour. Okay, depende kasi sa inyo yan. So si Kuya Renny Boy, I like, for example, $12 an hour. And then what, ayan, customer service, pwede rin naman social media manager. So alin man dyan. And then what locations do you want to work in? Austin, Texas, California. So anywhere. Okay? I'm open to working remotely. So technically, kahit nasa Philippines ka, pwede ka na mag-work here. Okay, US work authorization. Are you legally authorized to work in the United States? Of course. Do you or will you require sponsorship for a US employment visa? Example, HB. No, no, not needed. Would you like to work at companies at this of these sizes? Siyempre do'n tayo sa ano, sa malalaking kumpanya, okay. Pero sa bagay minsan mahirap maka-ano, eh, makachamba, eh, 'no. Pero okey naman 'yan, puwede naman tayo mag-goal ng mga SMB or mga small medium enterprises and yung mga malalaking company, okay. Kung kaya natin mag-work sa Google, why not? Kung sobrang talino natin, 'di ba? And then save, continue, okay. What environment do you work better in? Clear role, set of responsibilities, consistent feedback from management. Employees wear a lot of hats. Okay? So parang culture, ano pala to, culture fitting. Okay, clear role. What's most important to you in your next job? Having a say in what I work on and how I work. So parang ano siya, mas gusto mong maging ano, tag dito, maging part ng planner, merong sa pagiging decision maker, yan po, okay? Yan po yung ibig sabihin niyan. How team members I can learn from, okay? Having a say in the companies and or my team's direction, pwede nyo select yan. Mentorship opportunities, diverse team, yan. Opportunities to progress with the company, yan. I'm select. So at least nakadalawa na tayo pala, maximum two. How important is it to your next job as a flexible work policy? Very important, lalo na ngayon. Crisis. How important is it that you work in a quiet office? Very important. Okay. Describe what you're looking for in your next job. Okay. For example, I enjoy roles that are challenging and diverse. I enjoy both leading projects and contributing at a high level. Okay. So for this one, kung hindi mo pa alam ilalagay mo dyan, you can just go to ChatGPT. Depende kasi sa niche ninyo. Okay. So give me 300 character message I can write in this field. Okay, I'm applying for a social media manager position. Yan. So ChatGPT will give you the best idea and then nakalimit na siya sa 300 character. Okay, stay log out lang. Okay, then you can just copy it and then go back to well found, then paste it there. Boom. I'm looking for a social media manager role where I can create engaging content, grow online communities, and drive brand awareness. I value creativity, data driven strategy, and collaboration, and I'm eager to contribute to a team that values innovation and measurable results. Napagod ba isip mo? Hindi. Thanks to ChatGPT. So, all good. All you need to do is to upload your updated resume here. Okay, like this one. Try natin. Then, there you go. Okay, so we now have our profile, what do you call this? Updated resume, and then the well-found website was able to evaluate what type of applicant are we. Okay? So, yun yung gagawin ni well-found. So, pwede ka na ngayon maghanap ng trabaho, customer service, social media manager, inside well-found. Okay? Ang gaganda dito sa well-found, this is free. Free access po. Pwede po kayo mag-apply rito. Okay? For example, this one, remote only, 55 to 65K ang sahod. Posted 3 weeks ago. Pwede ninyong applyan 'yan kung confident tayo, okay? Staffing referral, sabi dito actively hiring, okay? Let's check. Staffing referrals is the only referral platform designed for staffing firms. We help you source, track, and manage referrals. Our clients increase referral leads by up to 30% in the first month of using our platform. Okay? So, if you want to apply, just click apply. And then automatic, madedetect na nila yung resume, updated resume na nilagay nyo rito. Okay? This job does not support the location or time zone for remote work on your profile. Okay. So, may mga times na hindi po available yung location natin. Okay? So, like this one, they are currently looking from Denver, Colorado. So we're not allowed to apply here. All you need to do is to check another hiring. Okay. So let's check. For example, this one, Cyber Haven. Okay. So I guess we're allowed to apply here. For example, you want to be part of Cyber Haven. You just need to click apply. If you are applying for senior technical account manager, mid-market account executive, staff accountant, okay, sales development representative. For example, this one, you want to apply here. You just click apply. Hopefully, we're allowed to apply, improve your odds. Your profile shows you're working in a different role than, okay. So guys, at least kailangan relevant sa ina-apply nyo daw. Kung sales representative, then yung profile natin must be relevant to sales representative. But technically guys, you are allowed to apply here. Kapag na-update nyo yan, pwede na daw kayo mag-apply. So paste nyo lang dito yung LinkedIn URL ninyo, phone number, or WhatsApp number nyo. Do you live in the listed location for this position? Okay? Then yes. Kung no, no lang. Okay? Are you legally authorized to work in the United States? Then click yes. This is hybrid role. Okay. So technically, hindi ka rin allowed dito. Okay? So yun. Basta hanap lang kayo guys ng pwede ninyong applyan. Okay? So click nyo lang dito, only remote jobs para talagang ma-hire tayo. Okay? Only remote jobs. And then customer service, dito nyo papalitan yung role. For example, sales development manager, customer service. Yan. Diyan nyo po siya ilalagay para magmamatch kung ano yung ina-apply ninyo. Okay? So, kung full-time, part-time, pwede nyo rin namang ilagay dyan. Okay, for example, this one, tenor. Actively hiring. Ayan, so senior software engineer, sales development rep, AI startup. Just click apply. And then improve your odds, LinkedIn profile, and then create ka lang ng 1 to 2 minute long video. Okay? And then you can work remotely here in Well Found. Okay? Dito daw sa company ng Tenor. Okay? So, yun guys, ang gagawin nyo lang po is maghanap lang po kayo ng fit sa skills ninyo and anything na actually sobrang daming hiring dito. Yung mga nabubuksan lang natin kasi is more on tawag dito, customer service. Pero napakarami kasing niche. Okay, iba-iba. Merong gusto ng real estate VA, may gusto ng social media management, video editor, graphic designing, go high level expert. Napakadami. Okay, so all you need to do is to choose. Lagay nyo lang dito para hindi maging ano yung profile ad ninyo. Kailangan mag-match dun sa ina-apply ninyo. And then select full-time. And then dito, let's click only remote jobs so that anywhere in the world you can still apply here in Well Found. Okay, so napansin niyo naman guys, hinihingi po kadalasan dito is yung may mga knowledge na sa tools na ginagamit ng mga virtual assistant. Well, in fact, yun naman po talaga yung kailangan. And then yung iba po is at least kahit papano, meron po kayong sariling website portfolio or website under your name showcasing your talent. And pwede po kayong gumawa ng sarili ninyong website portfolio kahit wala kang experience. Actually, tinuro ko na yung mga technique na yan. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, pumunta lang kayo guys sa kuyareniboy.com. Yan. Ang dami na po naging virtual assistant dito na sumasahod na rin po ng 5 digits, 6 digits guys dahil sa mga online course na tinuturo ni Kuya Rene Boy. Okay? So, punta lang kayo dito guys and then click nyo lang po yung I want my access. Kapag na-click nyo na yan guys, limited time offer lang to yung discount kasi ang presyo talaga niyan ay 2,500. Pero dahil nanonood ka ngayon, for only 299 hanggat nakikita mo tong QR code na to, 299 mo lang siya makukuha. Okay? And then, sundin mo lang yung process. Grabe guys, worth 5,000 pesos yung online course na to kung tutuusin dahil sinamahan na po natin to ng go high level techniques, FB ads, Google ads, social media management, lahat na po ng mga pwede ninyo matutunan, nandito na rin. Kung paano gumawa ng portfolio, website portfolio, anything and such na kakailanganin ninyo sa pag-uumpisa ninyo sa pagiging virtual assistant at kung paano kayo magiging VA, lahat step by step from zero knowledge to pro. So hopefully guys, makabisita kayo dito sa kuyarenoboy.com and makapag-process agad kayo ng payment para alam nyo na, mabilis natin makuha yung next client natin. Okay, so yun lang guys, shoutout sa lahat naman nagpapa-shoutout diyan guys. Hopefully makapag-apply na kayo dito sa Well Found. And marami pa po akong i-update sa inyo na work from home job sa mga next video. And by the way, bago ko makalimutan, kailangan ko po ng 5 interns sa Renaissance VA company. Dito kasi sa company ni Kuya Rene Boy mismo, kailangan po namin ng mga interns or gusto sa mga gusto maging virtual assistant, siyempre kumukuha muna kami ng interns. Kine-check namin yung performances, kine-check namin kung sino yung pwede namin ma-forward, okay? Or ma-absorb bilang isang virtual assistant mismo internally sa loob ng Renaissance. Kung interesado ka, pumunta ka lang sa Facebook page ko. And then pagpunta mo, syempre, follow nyo na rin si Kuya Rene Boy sa Facebook page natin. And then, abangan nyo lang po palagi yung mga announcement natin dito. Ayan. Or i-PM nyo na rin po ako dito sa Kuya Rene Boy official na Facebook page kasi kailangan ko po ng 5 interns. Kung interesado kayo at naka-follow na kayo sa Facebook page ko, comment sa baba ng hashtag Kuya Rene Boy dahil mamimili ako ng 3 winners ng tagfa 500 Cash G. Cash G na giveaway. Let's go! Okay, so yung guys, shoutout po sa lahat na nagpapa-shoutout dyan. Alam niyo na. Kita-kits sa next video. God bless us all. Bye everyone.